Okay, girls. So these first three questions you need to divide. If you want, you can take a picture and do it at home. Or else, inshallah, wait for your book to come and then later. These three questions for divide.
Miss, in the Tuesday you gave us a homework to screenshot the picture, and I did the homework.
Great. And this prime factorization, you know how to do it. You can do any way, girls. You can even do,
Yeah, Miss, we do from 3 to 11, right?
yes. You can do the ladder method. You can even do the other method, the factors method. Even this one, girls. Now, prime factorization, you only do with ladder method, girls. The tree method is not that easy. It's confusing. So better if you go with the ladder method for prime factorization. For here, for LCM, you all know very well. How are you doing it? Again, GCF, you know how to do now, every one of you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
these all can, make you practice more for LCM, GCF, prime factorization, and the division. Girls, now week 5, that is next week. This is week 4, right? Next week you will have your quiz. So
What?
you will have your quiz.
We are going to come to the school?
No, you will have online quiz, my dear.
Okay.
So what you are gonna do? You will just have these lessons till 1.4. That is the finding GCF. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 types.
Miss, can you send what we are going to have for the quiz?
Yeah, you will be informed, but till now, if you want to know, it's before mid-chapter checkpoint. That is till now, where did we do? 1 point till GCF. From lesson 1 to lesson 4, that is GCF. Okay?
Miss, only the GCF, right?
No, I said from 1.1 to 1.4. The division, the prime factorization, the LCM, and G. Understood?
Yeah.
So this is what you have to do. If you practice these kind of questions, enough, girls, because these kinds of questions I will be asking in multiple choice. Like example, I will give you this 2,800 divided by 25. And I'll give you 4 options. You need to solve it and do the correct answer. Okay?
Okay.
Now next. Now we'll go to add and subtract decimals. 1.6. Adding and subtracting decimal. I think you all are very good at this. I don't have to explain you much.
Yeah.
Like you have 2.538, 2 point, you see this? 2.538. You'll put a point here, and just below that you have to put a point of the other number. So 0 will be written after here. Girls, you want me to explain lean and vati, this one, or you know it?
No.
This one. Lean, how about you?
No.
Do you know it, or yes or no?
Yes.
See, it is 2.358. 1 point. This point, 1 point must be exactly below the number 2. Write the whole number, put a point, and then write the other numbers. So I wrote here. There is nothing here. What does this mean? If there is nothing here, that means this is here. It is a
0.
0. Yes, here it is 0. It means here it is 0 like this. It's okay even if you don't put it there. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 and 8 is 13. Carry 1. 4 and then 3. Your answer is 3.438. This was estimate. The 2.3, the estimate is 2. 1.08, the estimate is 1. If you add them, you get it 3. So answer is nearby 3 and you got it 3.438. Compare your estimate with the sense. Since the estimate 3 is close to 3.438, the answer is reasonable. Please write down here, the puppy gained, this was from the question. That's the reason I'm Martin, quickly read this. Amanda
and three of her friends volunteer at the local animal shelter. One of their jobs is to wet the puppies and kittens and shard their growth. Amanda's favorite puppy weight 358 last month. If it gained 1.8, how much does it weigh this month?
Okay, so you understood that you have to add it? You understood that you have to add it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. I don't think so you need to write. Is it necessary to write after 0 after 1.08? No, it's not necessary, but we can write a 0 to keep the add-ins aligned by place value. Sometimes you will not get confused if you put a 0 there. Okay, and that's the reason you can put a 0 there. Don't need to write, girls, just this was for understanding. Explain how place value can help you add decimal. It tells which digits to add so that I add thousands to thousands and so on. You know, like this is at ones, tenths, so that will be 10.
Miss, we write it.
No need, yeah. Come on here. Lean, can you read this? Bee humming.
A bee hummingbird, the world's smallest bird, has a mass of 1,000 point.
Don't say 1,000. 1 is the whole number. You will say 1.836. 1 is in the place of ones. Okay? 1 is in the place of ones.
Okay. 1.836 grams. A new United States nickel.
A new United States nickel
has a mass of 5 grams. What is the difference?
When they say difference, what are you gonna do, Eileen?
You're gonna minus.
Minus
You're
it.
gonna minus.
See, when they say you 1.836, I'm just writing. But when you compare, 5 is bigger. So first I'll write 5. I'll put a point because there's nothing, and then 0. How many? Because there are 3 numbers after the after this, and then next come down, and you write 1 point, point and point. See, it has to be parallel. 836. Did you understand this?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes. And you need to minus this. When I minus this, I get, of course, this goes 10, 9, this is also 9, this is 4. So it's 4. Anyways, let us see down here first. So this is the estimate, 5 minus 2, 3. And you have to put 5.000. Why did you put 5.00? Because there was nothing. It was a whole number. After a whole number, I can put how many zeros I like. I put a point and I put these numbers. So your answer is 3.10 minus 6 has to be 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 1, 3. Sorry.
Miss, we write them?
Yes, you write it. I think you know about minus. I don't need to explain you. This is 10, right?
Yeah.
Carry, and so this becomes 9. Again, here this becomes. You know how I'm doing this?
Yeah, and this one will become 4.
Finish. This is how you solve it. Copy. Did you finish writing, girls?
Yeah.
All right, I need to erase this. All right, yeah. Now we are comparing the estimate. The estimate, they told it was 3. It's close to 3.164. That means the answer is reasonable. The mass of the new nickel is 3.164. How will you check your answer always? You will take the answer, you will add with the one which is smaller number, you must get 5. So I did this and I get 5. Girls, just write this order. Don't write everything. Just write check, check, and write this because you're checking the answer.
Miss, I finished.
Okay. Again, this I'm going to explain you. There's one more example. 6.5 minus 1.97 plus, so of course you will solve the bracket first. You know the order of operation that I minus first because this is in the bracket. When I minus 6.5, 1.97, I get 4.53. Again, this goes, see, this goes 10. And here this becomes 4, but still 4 cannot. So it has to be 14. And this is 5. Okay? So now
Yeah.
we got 3, 5, and 4. Then this number I need to add with 3.461. Because first I will solve what is there in the bracket. I need to solve what is there in the bracket. I minus it, what was in the bracket. Then that number I added to 3.461 and I got 0 plus 1, 1, 6 plus 3, 9, 4 and 5, 9 again, 4 and 3, 7 again. Understood?
Miss, I didn't understand.
Okay, let me explain you again. When you see a number like this, when you see something which has addition and subtraction, you will always solve what is there in the bracket. What is there in the bracket?
6.5 minus 1.
Okay, this is your question. That means you have to solve. That means
In the back.
you have to solve first the minus sign. I solved this one. See, I solved till here.
Okay, Miss, if there is 6.5 less 1.97.
It's okay, but it is in the bracket. It is in the bracket. You will solve the bracket first. Okay?
Okay.
I solved my bracket. I got an answer. Now that answer, because I got, see, now in the bracket, what is supposed to be there? 4.53 because I minus. After that, I need to, this 4.53, what is left?
3.46.
I need to add to 3.461 and I did that. 4.53 plus 3.461. I got, when I added that, of course.
You will add 4.53 with
Yes.
what?
3, because see what is it written? Plus 3 point. Because you
3.461.
I minus this, but what is there to add? They said plus 3.461.
Yeah, I understand.
So
And then you
Wateen,
put it.
yeah, this was your first step. Your first step was to minus it. Then whatever I got the answer, I with
Plus
2. I plus it with. This is the second part. Okay? Okay? Got it?
Miss, how you plus it with 2?
I mean, this is the first part. This is the second part. I plus it with
Yeah.
the second part, I mean. What is the second part?
3.46.
So I took the answer and I plus it with 3.461. I got 7.991. Now check if you have some question.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Malak, welcome. At least when you enter, say me good morning. Not because to wish me. I know you all are very good girls. MashaAllah, you wish me. Just to know that you are here. Okay?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the value of the expression? It is 7.991.
991.
7.991. Come on. $3.42. What is the estimate of 3.42? Estimate of 1.9 is is it 1 or is it 2? 1.9. It's 2 because 1
No. Yeah.
goes to 2. The estimate I got it as 1. Now subtract the hundredths first. 3.42 minus 1.90. Why did I put 0? Because after point.
1.952.
Yeah, correct. See, after point 9 was there. It's okay if you put a 0. It's okay if you leave like that. But when you put 0, it's better. So then 2 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 9 doesn't. You have to subtract by 14. 5. And then this is 2. This will be 14. And 3 is going to be 2. Got it?
Yeah.
And first, what are you going to subtract, girls? The hundredths or the tenths?
100.
This is hundredths. Yeah. This is hundredths and this is tenths.
Yeah.
This is, of course, ones of the, before the point is ones. Now, how are you going to do this? See here, girls. Because this is share and show. First, 2.3. How many zeros I'm going to put, Malak? See the highest number of zeros? Highest number after the
3.
3. Very good. 2, because already 3 is there. I just need 3 numbers after it. Next, 5.68 and 1 0. And the next, where am I going to write 21?
1 is in the point.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This you must know how to do it. Do you know how to?
And now we will
Of course,
we will add.
plus it. Yes, you will add plus. Here it is 7. $12, and then up goes 1. Then you have 0. Up goes 1. 9. And then we have 2. I put a point here. Okay, guys. Now estimate. Who's gonna say me estimate?
Me.
Yes, tell me. 2 plus
2 plus 3.
5. This is, leave that. Leave that. Now 5.6. What is the estimate? Is it 5 or 6?
5, 6.
Yeah, because after you see a bigger number than 5. Now next one. This one plus what?
21.
Plus 21. Very good. So what's the answer?
26. Wait, miss.
7, 9, 29. Okay?
Yeah.
Almost near. Now, go to the next question. 33.25 minus 21.463. Don't forget to put a 0 here. Okay. When I minus it, this is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, what do you get? I get 4. And this is 4 minus 3. 1. And then 12. This will be 8. No, there's a totally different answer. Why? Why is it different answer? I don't get that.
Miss, because you have.
Ah, I put wrong here. I put 3, 6 instead of 6, 3. I just have 3 minutes, girls. Anyways, can you do on your own at
Yeah, homework.
at home and show me tomorrow the answers?
Yeah.
Sure.
Miss, what will we do?
On your own, the part of on your own you will do by your own.
Is it
All
the
of the
question are
questions
3 and
from
4?
5 to 11.
Okay, Miss.
These answers you can write down. These answers, it's okay if you can write down. For share and show, please write the answers. Question number 4, I will do with you now. Okay?
Okay.
See, when I add, see, I have to add 8.54 and 3.46 first. When I add them, I get, this is 11, 4, 5, 6. See, 11, and then 0, and then 12. I got 12.01. When, what did I do? First, I added this. First, I added this. The first thing I will do this, I will add this. When I add this, I got 12.01. This 12.01, I need to subtract with
Miss?
what number? Tell me. When I add this, I got 12.01. Then I need to minus with what number? I got, when I add this, I got 12.01. Then what is here? I need to minus with 6.749. When I minus with 6.749, I get 5.251. I get 5.251. 1. Okay. Question number 4. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, Miss.
Miss, but I didn't understand how that 5, like 5, then 5.251.
This is the estimate. This is the estimate, girls. This is the estimate. This 10 here is the estimate, okay? Okay.
Miss, but when I estimate that 33 minus 21, there is no, it's not counting.
33 minus 21? You mean it's not 10? Yeah, it's not 10 actually. Anyways, it has to be 11, okay? He wrote it
No, it's 12, Miss.
12.
Yeah,
Okay, dear, I will check and tell you.
okay.
Okay, thank you, girls. My class is finished now. So I'll see you all in my next class, that is science.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.